In this video, I'm going to show you how to get blueberries in Once Human, and actually the best blueberry location inside the game. So if you open up our map, you want to teleport over here to the left, so this teleport to the very left of the Deviation Expert. I mean Deadsville, okay, excuse me. So here where it's Deadsville, what you want to do is teleport over here, and then simply walk to this teleportation tower, or teleport to the teleport tower in case you have it unlocked. And you'll see that at this teleportation tower, if I hop down here and walk towards this bridge, you'll be able to see that there's a lot of blueberries. Now here's one, and then if I walk to the very left over here, there's two more bushes, and then here's two more as well, and then we have one over here, and then over here, and as you can see, there's a bunch of these blueberries. And now you can walk over here as well, and you'll see there's a few more. So yeah, this is pretty much the easiest way and the fastest way to get blueberries in Once Human, because there's a bunch of blueberries. As you can see, in about 15 seconds I was able to gather what, a few, let's see how many, 10 blueberries, okay, which is not bad at all. And you can simply change worlds by clicking G over here, change to another world, and you will have those blueberries respawn in no time, and you can just farm them infinitely as much as you want. So I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.